At an unfortunate incident that had taken place on the evening of 10th January 2023 at Mawbah in Upper Mawprem, Shillong, 5 families suffered loss as their homes were engulfed in a fire, the cause of which is yet to be known. To add to the tragedy, 4 LPG gas cylinders burst, while it is believed that 2 lives were lost in the incident. Till the filing of this report, the Meghalaya police and forensic experts are working hard to investigate into the matter.
बोल रहे मत जाओ नीचे में, क्यों काम जा रहा है यार आप लोग यार?
इधर नहीं थे।
क्या करोगे उधर नीचे में जाके? देखेगा ही तो ना।
मोप्रेम जाने का रास्ता नहीं है जो शिवलिंग का नीचे
बोल रहे पाइप